Hi friends, I am Punesha. Today I am going to discuss about how to create a web page. The basic concept which we can, using the basic concept, we can create a website, the web pages. So for that basically we are using the HTML, CSS, JavaScript and some good stuff. So let's start with you. First of all the HTML, then I will go through the CSS, then go through the Bootstrap, JavaScript, etc. Today I take the first class to discussing what is HTML. HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. It is a very creative language. We can create a web page. You know, I will show you something easy here. Suppose I am going to create a website. So there is some page, you know. There is some navigation bar, home, about us, some searching options are there. Then you can see in next step here is some banner. Then you can see some photos, etc. which are different photos are seen there and other things. But here is some footer cards. In website creation pages, we can say this is the header part and this is the footer part. The header part we can create in the home, about us, etc. So how we can create the page? First, we can write some code, then it will generate. It will generate. So what is this code? This code is called as HTML code, the basic code. So I discussed this. How is the basic code of the HTML and what we write on this and how to create the pages. Okay, I will clean it. Then first I am going to start HTML. So we were starting to create a website. We can install some things in our laptop. There is some platforms where we can write the codes. I write the codes in Sublintext. You also write the Sublintext is best. You can write the codes. I will show you in my laptops how to write, what you write. First, today I discuss what is the basic code of the HTML. So, see friends, I am writing this is the syntax of HTML, starting of the HTML pages. The syntax is doc type HTML. Okay. You can see any page where writing in the code syntax is doc type HTML means it's HTML5. So where the doc type is mentioned, this is HTML5 version. You can write in first started in HTML. This is the syntax HTML, and this HTML we already started. Then we also close the HTML. Okay. Close means one slash bar and HTML. Same things we are writing here. In between that, we can start it first a head section. You know, in our real life, have some hierarchical manner. So I write in here as a hierarchical manner. Here is the head section. First I write, and then after the head section, I also close this head. I started the head section and close the head section. In between head section, I will take one other section, the title. So what is the title? When I am treating or you are treating in pages, there is some titles. What? Suppose I created a website. The name of the title of the website is my website. Okay? Then I will write my website. Then I close the title. Here I write the title, start the title, close the title. In between that, this is my website. Title text. After that, in between head section, I write the title. Then we started the body part. So the main every concept I will write in between the body. Okay. This is just only title page. I will starting the HTML, I read of the HTML. In between this body section, I will write all the codes in between this body. Suppose I am creating a navigation bar. So these navigation bars I am putting in this body section. I create a wrap section. I also put in these sections in these body sections. Then today I am showing, I am writing here. Suppose I am writing a heading. H1 means heading 1, heading 2, S2 is heading 2, S3 is heading 3. This is showing the different sizes of the heading. I will taking the bigger heading, I am taking the H1 tags, and in between H1 tags I will write suppose this is head. Then end of the H1. Every syntax I will start it, also I will close the syntax. So here I am writing H1, this is head page. Suppose I also put some paragraphs. You know, paragraphs means a group of something about, I will writing something about a header. That is called paragraph. I will write more the lines in this paragraph. So I started the paragraph, I write, okay, suppose I write, I am a web developer. Okay, then suppose I think I want to write more something in this paragraph, but I don't write in same line. I want to write in different lines, so I will break the line. How to break the line? The break of the tag is BR tag, which have no end tag. BR means this is the end of the break of this line. I am a web developer and BR tag break the lines. Then suppose I write something in here or here. I want to keep some basic idea. Suppose this is one line. So this is break this line, first line, then second line is in second person. Then after this completion of paragraph, I will close the paragraph. P tag is the paragraph. For this code, I will create a web page. This is the basic concept. So you think how it looks like. When you run this code, you can see. I will erase it because of no space here. When you run this code, you can see in your local host. In your local host means in your PC. The page is when you run, you can see the title page. Suppose my web page. I write it here the title is my web page. This is my title. This is showing in a title bar. After the title bar, I write in body part. So for the body, I am taking some heading one. Okay, and my heading is sorry, I erase this. So I write here heading is this is my heading. Okay, this is heading part. This is title part. And next is I will write some paragraphs. You can see I am a web developer. I wanna show some codes for basic knowledge. This is the paragraph what I write. This is the heading part what I write, and this is the title part. The pages is showing looks like that because this is your local host, so it's you can writing. This is showing in your page is a local host. So one by one I will show how to create the web pages, what the course you will writing, and how to find the course. What is the concept of that course? Okay. Then today I will showing you how to create HTML pages. So I also showing you some CSS. So what is CSS? In our real life, you know. Suppose I am a woman. I am wearing dresses, shoes, etc. I will take the makeup. Why? Because of my looks are changes. At that time, when I will creating a web page, when we are creating a web page, we also decorate this page. How to decorate this page? This decoration is called CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. So this is only we are creating the pages, but when we are decorate this page, it's implementation of the CSS file. So if suppose I want to change the color of this my web page. For the decoration purpose, I want to change red color in the title bar. So for the generation of the title colors is implementation of CSS with writing some CSS code for change of that title, or we decorate the title. We also change the color, the letter size, letters, designs, etc. everything. Same types, I also design the pages in CSS cascading styles with help of cascading cells. And I also call you the bootstrap. So I am showing in next class what is bootstrap. First I give you some basic idea, then going to CSS, bootstrap, etc. So the bootstrap is the source of CSS. Okay, bootstrap is the source of CSS. It's like a bootstrap is a open source framework. What is framework? I will discuss in different class. What is framework? Why we are using the bootstrap? Today you just only go to search in Google bootstrap. You saw a bootstrap website there. Then you have also clicked what is bootstrap. Why we use the bootstrap for pages? Okay, and here you can find all types of codes for creating navigation bar, creating the slide bar, paragraphs, how different insertion files, insert the forms, what is forms, how to add the forms, etc. In this bootstrap sites, you directly found the course. This is already implemented with the CSS concept. Okay. Then today I just want to showing how to write the website code, web pages course. This is the basic concept. How to create the web pages through the HTML course. We started with HTML, end of the HTML. In between that, we're taking the title parts in title, in between the head tag, and I also write some codes in body part. I will write in here a heading tag and some paragraphs. And this is showing that if I added the CSS, I will change the colors, I will change the design, I will change the page style. Okay. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel. And I also learn different things, concept of how to create a website, web pages, and what the basic idea of this, how you write generally, easily code, and how to find you codes for the website design. Okay, thank you.